The Oppo Reno 2 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 93.1% screen-to-body ratio. The display is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 6. It also has a quad camera setup at the back. It has a 48-megapixel ultra-clear main camera with an f1.7 aperture, a 13-megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel mono lens. The rear cameras boast of a 16 to 83 mm equivalent focal length, 5x hybrid zoom and 20x digital zoom. Also has an ultra-dark mode for low-light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a rising 16-megapixel selfie camera with features like AI beauty mode and large aperture bokeh for your selfie needs. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Oppo Reno 2 runs on ColorOS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm 730G processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and comes with 256GB built-in storage, expandable up to an additional 256GB via a microSD card. The smartphone is available in luminous black and ocean blue color options. The Oppo Reno 2 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery that supports VOOC fast charging 3.0. The box includes the handset, Type-C cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector, protective case and quick starter guide. The Oppo Reno 2 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.